If your summer feels like a sauna, you need some cool relief. Let's see how air conditioners are made. It all starts with the compressor, the heart of the AC. This powerful machine pumps refrigerant, a special cooling fluid, through the system. Next up is the condenser coil. This part releases heat from the refrigerant, turning it into a liquid. Think of it as the AC's way of sweating out the heat. Then we have the evaporator coil. Here, the liquid refrigerant absorbs warmth from the air inside your home, making it nice and cool. Finally, fans blow the cool air into your rooms, while another fan helps the heat escape outside. And just like that, your home feels like a refreshing oasis. So next time you're chilling at home, remember the cool process of making air conditioners. Stay frosty.